Do you agree that this defendant meets the statutory definition for someone who is mentally ill?
I don't.
Well, that's the only testimony heard today in the Miller hearing for the Oxford High School shooter. Ethan Crumbley was a state forensic psychiatrist who says that Crumbley was not mentally ill when he shot and killed 4 students. The Miller hearing was mandatory because Crumbley was 15 at the time of the shooting.
And the judge will decide if he can be sentenced to life without parole. Today's expert witness explained even though Crumbley suffers from anxiety and depression, that's different than mental illness as described by the Michigan statute. During closing arguments, Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald read from Crumbley's journal stating he had planned all along to stay alive.
I'm about to shoot up the school and spend the rest of my life in prison. So yeah, I'm going to prison for life, and many people have about 1 day to live. I will continue shooting people until police breach the building. I will then surrender to them and plead guilty to life in prison.
But his attorneys argue he can be rehabilitated, and he should have the opportunity for parole someday.
Denying the motion and giving him a term of years is not an automatic outdate. It is putting the ball in his court. Everyone can be rehabilitated, as Dr. Romanowski said, if they truly want it and they truly work at it.
Crumbley, who's now 17, pleaded guilty to murder, terrorism, and other charges. A decision is expected during his next review hearing on September 29th. Crumbley's sentencing was also set for December 8th at 9 a.m. His parents, James and Jennifer Crumbley, are both charged with involuntary manslaughter, accused of not doing enough to stop the shooting.